Hello guys, and welcome to a new tutorial. Take out your notebook and write as a title Tutorial 2 Past Perfect Continuous Practice. That's what we're going to practice more today. We just saw it in class, but it's important for you to have it super clear. Okay, so write down the title, the word answers, and leave space for 10 answers. We're going to work on this together. But first, before going into the exercise, let's just remember the formula. Okay, we use the subject they. In this example, we use the word had. Remember, this is our auxiliary for the past. Then we use been and the verb with ing. They had been working normally when tons of rock collapsed. Today we learned many examples, but it's important to practice a little bit more. So you need to have this formula in your head, okay? You need to have this because we're going to do an exercise in which you have to fill in the blanks and use that formula. You have to stick to the formula, okay? Let's start. Okay, I did not go out last night because I all day. Write down the answer. Good, yes. I had been, right? Had been working. Good job. We have to stick to the formula always. Number 2, they at the station for 90 minutes when the train finally arrived. Remember that if you have the answer incorrect, I need you to write an X and then copy the correct answer, okay? That is the most important part. Come on. They had been waiting. Good. Number 3. You got sick because you the whole time. Yes, you had been eating. You were doing that for a long time. Number 4. Orla felt fit for the marathon because she a lot. Yes, she had been training a lot. Number 5. We for 12 hours when he woke us up. Remember the formula? Yes, we had been sleeping. Number 6. I in the wrong direction for an hour before I noticed my mistake. What? Go for it. Yes, I had been driving. Okay? Had been. Number 7. Laura needed a break because she all morning. Had been studying. Good job. Number 8. We out with each other for 2 years before I met his family. Exactly. We had been going. Correct your answers. Number 9. Lorraine English for 12 years before she moved to England. Yes, she had been learning. And number 10. The musician in this town for 10 years when he became director of the opera house. the musician? Excellent. He had to be in the lead. Well, good job. You did great, guys. Remember to a classroom photo of this, okay? That will be all for today's tutorial. See you in class. Bye-bye.